Hello everyone, good morning. So this is a series of 3 IIMs. So we have already covered one IIM, which is IIM Ranchi. Today we are going to cover another IIM which will ask you almost zero entry barrier, no entrance exam, nothing, and the admissions are currently open for 2023 batch. Yes, that's right. And uske baad we are going to have a third IIM very soon. The video will be out after 3 days, wherein you will get to know the third IIM which has exactly the same kind of criteria. Apart from this, जो normal IIMs होते हैं with entry barrier and all that, उसकी complete guide is already out in my channel. So let's understand about today's IIM, and the name is IIM Raipur. Yes, so the admissions are currently open, and why so? Because they do not start their batch from July onwards. They have a batch intake starting from December. So ये एक अगर देखेंगे तो काफी फर्क है. Normally अगर हम देखते हैं तो सारे IIMs का जुलाई बैच होता है. उसके बाद हम समझते हैं कि exactly IIM रायपुर की प्लेसमेंट कैसी है, उसका डिग्री कैसा होता है, उसका कोर्स कैसा है, what is the scholarship, what is the fee structures and everything. As always, the WhatsApp link you will find in the description box, wherein if in case you still have any questions while applying or while deciding any college for yourself, feel free to drop me a message there. So IIM Raipur, the degree clearly says MBA written on it, so it is a proper MBA degree, not any certification. When we talk about when this started, so one batch has passed out till now, 2 are ongoing. This is the 4th batch admission intake which is going on. So I think approximately 2020 में या 21 में उन्होंने start किया होगा, तो इसलिए 4th batch अभी start है. Program 2 years का है and it is divided into 8 terms. Normally IIMs के 6 terms में divided होते हैं 4 months each, but here it is 8 terms, 3 months each. So that's how the 2 years are divided. When we understand the campus immersion, it is very less compared to other IIMs, which we see it is just 5 days immersion every year. So 5 days this year and 5 days next year. So total 10 days immersion in total for next 2 years, wherein you directly go to IIM Raipur campus and be there. Rest all classes happens online, direct to device starting. I mean, you can join in directly from the laptop. You don't have to go to anywhere, because we understand even in IIM Ahmedabad and IIM Kozhikode, they ask you to come to their place and then join the online classes from there, because they have a satellite system on that. Here you join it directly from the laptop. So let's understand the class schedule. So class happens on Wednesday, which is for 3 hours, must be in evening only. Then on Saturday it is 4.5 hours and Sunday it is 4.5 hours. So that's huge. That's how the classes schedules are designed. 75% attendance is mandatory for these online classes. Then we understand about the specialization. So they basically have 6 specialization, which has 5 major ones, which we know: HR, marketing, operations, IT and finance. And then the 6th one is strategy. So these are the 6 specializations which IIM Raipur offers. Now let's understand the eligibility. Here comes the fun, guys. So 50% graduation or 40% in SC/ST, okay, plus 3 years of work experience. Normally IIMs are asking 5 years, 4 years like that. So इसमें 3 years of work experience. No entrance exam, so nothing. Neither आपको बाहर का देना है कोई CAT, GMAT, GRE, ना उनका खुद का है. Just interview after the registration. So what you have to do is step number 1. Do the registration, pay 1500 rupees, 1500. Then the document submission will happen, and then after that, directly the interview will happen. That's it. No entrance exam barrier, nothing. Application link is in the description. So since I mentioned, currently the applications are going on and it is open till 2nd September. In case you want to choose this option, it is open till 2nd September. You can apply there and do the required, which I just mentioned. Now let's understand the fees. So fees is 13,25,000. 13,25,000 in 6 installments as per the term. So ये terms हैं जितनी, उसके हिसाब से आप वो करेंगे, आपका ये payment pay करेंगे. No placements, as like no other IIMs also offer online or distance mode. They do not offer any placement services, since this is the trend in all IIMs. So this also doesn't give you any this thing. You will find link in the description box about prospectus, then application, how you can apply, degree sample will also be there. My WhatsApp link as always will be there for any query. I have also released recently about the world's best online MBA as per the world renowned ranking, FT ranking and QS ranking. In case you want to have a look at that as well, I'll put the link in the end screen and you'll be able to click it and have a look at it. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.